Thank you for tuning in. This is Concise Broadcasting Corporation, and I am Tribhuvan Kumar with important news headlines podcast. India overtakes Brazil as the second most COVID-19 affected country. Metro services resumed in India after nearly 5 months. Asian nations of Japan and South Korea have been struck by powerful typhoon Haishin, with both countries suffering major damage. India enters hypersonic missile club, joining the rank of US, Russia and China. Chair protests in Berlin outside the German parliament to underline the calls to take in immigrants from an overcrowded camp on a Greek island. Pakistani army troops initiated unprovoked and indiscriminate firing with small arms and heavy mortar shelling along the line of actual control of the Sundarbani sector of Rajouri district this evening. Kerala once again emerges as the most literate state with 96.2% literacy in the report by National Statistical Office. Andhra Pradesh with 66.4% featured at the bottom. BCCI announces schedule for IPL 2020 to be held in UAE.